Hello students, welcome back. Today I will solve questions 4, 5 and 6 of exercise 2. Okay, and it is on page number 17. See, this is your exercise 2, page number 17. Today we will solve question number 3, 4 and 5. Okay, see the questions 3, 4 and 5. So listen carefully and focus at the board. Sorry, we will solve question 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. Fourth question is, these are the word problems. So understand, okay, and try to understand honestly. Find the addition of largest number of 4 digits and largest number of 3 digits. Find the addition. Addition means sum. You have to add largest number of 4 digits and largest number of 3 digits. So I am writing the question. Find the addition of largest number of 4 digits and largest number of 3 digits. Solution. So I hope you know which is the largest number of 4 digits and 3 digits. See, largest, you can write largest 4 digit number is just 9999. Simple. And largest 3 digit number is, again it is 999. So write the number like this and put a plus sign, and I hope you can perform this addition well. तो इस addition को perform करते हैं. How to do this? 9 plus 9 18. Carry 1. So it is 10. 10 plus 9 19. Again carry 1. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 9 19. 9. Carry 1. 1 plus 9 10. So this is the answer. Okay, try to speak this number, means in word form: ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So guess what is this number? 10,998. Okay, you are correct. So answer is 10,998. And I also check this answer for you. It is exercise 2 and question number 4. So fourth question, the answer is 10998. Okay, now note it down. Next question is question number 5. These questions are basically related to addition and subtraction. Fifth question. Ramesh deposited rupees 2850 in January and rupees 3650 in February in his bank account. Find the total amount he deposited in both months. Okay, it's very easy. So you will write amount deposited in January. Okay, it is January. So it is rupees 2850. Similarly, amount deposited in February is rupees 3650, and we have to find the sum of these because क्वेश्चन में लिखा है फाइंड द टोटल अमाउंट. टोटल मीन्स दोनों का टोटल करना है. फर्स्ट वैल्यू इज 2850, सेकेंड इज 3650. सो आई होप you know how to add these numbers. Okay, let's try with me. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, okay. What is this? 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 5 here. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. And 3 plus 3, 6. And you write the symbol of Indian currency, that is rupees. So what is the answer? Answer is 6500. Okay, note it down. And the last question is question number 6. So it is Anshu bought a cycle. Okay, cycle. I hope you all have cycle for rupees 2999, and Ruchi bought a cycle for rupees 2650. Find the difference of amount of both cycles. Difference. The meaning of difference means you have to perform subtraction. So, and a very important thing is when you have to find the difference, you have to write the bigger number upside and the smaller number downside. Okay, so difference, you have to write difference of amount is equal to rupees. So try to determine that which value is bigger, rupees 2999 or rupees 2650. So I hope you guessed it is rupees 2999, 2999, and you will find the difference. So put minus sign. What is the second value? It is 2650, 2650. Draw a line here and write your answer below this line. Now perform subtraction. Okay, 9 minus 0, 9, because if you subtract 0 from any number you get the same number. 9 minus 5, it is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 2 minus 2, 0. So if you write 0, doesn't matter, but don't need it because the number cannot start with 0. Answer is rupees 349. So check the answer. Okay, because whenever you solve, just have to check your answer behind the book. Question number 6 of exercise 2. So I check it for you. It is 349. Okay, now the answer is correct. Okay students, in this video we have solved 3 questions, 4, 5 and 6. I hope you got it well. आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा because it is all about addition and subtraction only. So I will give you few questions in your homework. Try to solve them. Be honest. Okay. Have a good day.